Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a haul video. I just want to welcome you if you're new. My name is Lady Cinnamon and I do DIYs, decor, design, even cooking. So I do appreciate you and welcome you and thank you for stopping by today. You're so appreciated. Well guys, I changed the camera angle. It was at a weird angle and the lighting just switched up. It got dark outside all of a sudden. But I wanted to bring you in so that way you can see these items. But this is the first one. I absolutely love this. It's a hamper. I'm going to be doing a refresh in my guest bathroom and I needed a new hamper in there. And I went with this one because I'm going to be using neutral tones of taupe and blush pink. And I absolutely love the way this looks. It's gorgeous. I ordered this off of Amazon. At the time I ordered it, it was like $26. It looks like it's short, but it's pretty tall, and I love the texture and the two tones. It is so pretty in person. It's actually a woven laundry hamper and it's like, it looks like a rope or something. I'm gonna give you a close-up so you can see what it looks like. It's gorgeous. I can leave this in the description bar below, the link to this if you're interested, and I'll also show you a picture of what it looks like. It was folded and I literally just unfolded it, but I wanted to give you guys what it'll look like once you punch it all the way out and make it look pretty. But this is what it looks like when it's fully you know, when it's unfolded and had time to fall out. I absolutely love it. For my next item, I'm going to be using blush pink in my bedroom. Also, I'm going to be refreshing my bedroom. I got this from Sag Harbor from Home Goods and I picked up two of these large pillows. I love large decorative pillows on my bed. I'm one of those people that loves to make their bed every day. So I'm doing a blush pink refresh with neutral taupe tones and beiges in my bedroom, and I'm going to be doing the same thing in the guest bathroom for the rest of the spring season and the full summer season rather. But I love the texture of these, and I got those from Home Goods along with these beaded pillows. Now they don't look blush pink, but they actually are. They're both velvet just like the other two pillows, but the front of these pillows have the most gorgeous beadwork completely covering it, and the back of it is the same blush pink as the other pillows that I just showed you with that gorgeous texture. I don't know why they're both not really showing blush pink, but they are so pretty in person and I love them. And I'm going to be putting these on my bed along with the bedding bag I'll show you in a second. And this is Primrose Vintage. Both of these sets were only $24.99 for each pillow and I absolutely love them. And I don't know if I know they had those other textured pillows in a beige color, also very neutral tone. So I can't wait to refresh my room with these. They're gorgeous. And this throw is also blush pink. I'm going to be using this in my bedroom. I do use throws all year long, whether they're faux fur or not. Feathers, you name it. It could be fur. I usually use faux fur, but I use throws all year long. In the winter time, I'm always chilly, and in the summertime, if the AC goes a little too low, I like to put this on because it just makes me instantly cozy. This is by Megashoni, and I think these were $19.99 at Home Goods also, and I love it when they come with that big bow. It's just so cute and pretty. But yeah, these are so soft and cozy feeling. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna have this on the end of my bed or maybe across the chair in my bedroom, and I'm gonna be going, like I said, with this pretty blush pink for the whole bedroom, for my bedroom, except for the curtains. By the way, I picked up this also. This is going to be going into the bedroom. It was only $19.99. It's metal wall art. Now I know in this, for some reason it's reading like it's taupe, but this is actually blush pink but in a more muted tone, and I picked up a rug set that's in a muted tone also to match it perfectly because I wanted to have a layering effect of the different colors of the blush pinks and those neutral tones that I'm going for in my guest bathroom. And it also has this really pretty gold trim on each and every petal that I find so pretty. So yeah, that's what's going to be going in my bathroom, along with some extra washcloths and towels to just freshen up the towel rack. Also, I picked up several of them, different sets. I have some regular size bath towels and some hand towels and washcloths, and then I mixed it up a little bit and I added in some that had some more other tones to just give it more you know, more symmetry, so it's not too much all the same color where it looks like you got on some rose colored sunglasses that it's like a screen, everything's pink. I didn't want it to have that effect. I really wanted to have layering, and this is sort of what I'm talking about, bringing in some whites and some grays and some taupes and some beiges to really give it a nice look. Then I also picked up a couple of things to go on top of the actual counter. That guest bathroom doesn't have 2 sinks but just one, but it has counter space. This is one of those recycled glass jars or bottles that I love, like a vase. I think it's so pretty and it's recycled, so I love that idea and I love the shape of it. I also picked up a candle. I like this candle. It has a really nice look to it, and the top of it is like cork or whatever, and it smells so good. And I got this from HomeGoods also. I think the recycled vase was like $5.99, $6.99, and this was $9.99, I think. But really nice, pretty muted blush pink instead of like a really harsh pink. That's what I'm saying, like the different layers of muted pinks and blush pinks, just really pretty. And I got a diffuser, and what I'm gonna do is go back and bring in some more neutral tones like beiges and creams to really bring it all together. And I'm gonna go ahead and do one of those Z Gallerie dupe DIYs. So yeah, so if you guys are interested in me filming that dupe with the crushed glass and the glitter and pink for the guest bathroom, let me know. Also, I picked up these rugs. They were $19.99 for a 2-pack from HomeGoods by Christie's, but they look like they're taupe, but like I said, I wanted to go with another muted tone that matched the metal wall art perfectly, and this does, and this will give me that layering effect that I wanted, where everything goes together and it looks really pretty and seamless, but at the same time it's just different shades, and I love that. It just gives a room more of a not so matchy look, but it looks like you actually took the time to think it through. So maybe I should do a tour of the bathroom once I get done. Hope it looks okay. And of course I picked up some washcloths in white. You can never get enough of these. Now this little throw is so cute. I wanted to get a pom-pom throw and I could never find one in HomeGoods the last few times I went. I ordered this off Amazon also, and it's not a large throw. It's thin. It's perfect for if I'm in my watching TV or something at night. I don't want to have a large throw on the couch in the summer and springtime, so I get a thinner throw, and this one is perfect for just me. The hubby doesn't like throws like that, and I like the pom-poms, and I think it's so cute. Now if you like a thicker throw, this probably wouldn't be for you because it's very thin knit, but it's perfect for just throwing on very thin, just to take a little chill off. And this is what this looks like on Amazon. I'll leave that in the description bar below also, but it's so cute. So last but not least, I have my main items in my bedroom. I picked this up from HomeGoods also. It's a bed and bag. It's only $59.99. I used to go for an expensive duvet and shams, but I just didn't want to go through all of that. And no, I'm not going to be using the pillows, but I just wanted the actual the cover, and I love the texture of it, and I love this neutral tone, and I just want to bring some light into my bedroom. And I also ordered these curtains off of Amazon. The bed and bag came from HomeGoods, but I ordered these off Amazon, and they're lined and they're beautiful. And as you can see, these look like they're silk, but they're not. I got them at a really good price. They're really gorgeous. Do you see how pretty that is? Oh my god. Now I usually just get straight curtains or curtains that might have like a pattern on it but not too busy. I usually don't go for ruching, but I wanted to give my bedroom sort of a little bit more of a glam look for the rest of the spring and the summertime, and I think they're absolutely gorgeous, and I can put that in the description bar below also. But I just love the way they look, and because they're lined, they'll keep you cool in the summertime and warm with the draft in the winter. Just gorgeous. So guys, I hope you like this. I'm gonna go ahead and probably film that video with the Z Gallerie dupe with the crushed glass and glitter, and I'll put that up, so look out for that video. In the meantime guys, thanks so much for coming along with me for this quick haul to see what I purchased for refreshing my bedroom and the bathroom, and I thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. upload, and I'll see you all in the next video, and thank you all for watching.